Welcome to GNZ Mentor. First semester geography exam is just knocking the door. We have no sufficient time in our hand. So in this class, we are giving you a combined lesson of both two chapters of human geography. These are the scope and content of human geography and the classification of economic activities and the primary activities. We are providing you mainly one-liner type question answer, as there will be only MCQ type question in first semester. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all notification regarding next classes. Please share the class link to your all WhatsApp, Facebook group. Please tell your friends about this channel. Please join our WhatsApp channel to get all class link and PDF. Please like, comment and share this channel. Please stay behind us and keep supporting. This is an important speech by Benjamin Franklin, that is, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. In fundamentals of human geography, the first chapter is scope and content of human geography. So let's start this class. The book Principles of Human Geography was written by, the answer is Ellsworth Huntington. Who is called the father of human geography? Vidal de la Villace is called the father of human geography. Who was the proponent of determinism? Alexander von Humboldt was called the proponent of determinism. So what is determinism? It is a thought which says that environment controls man's life. Who was the proponent of possibilism? The answer is Vidal de la Villace. Now come to the point of possibilism. Here environment offers some possibilities and man can choose it freely. Here man is the man. Man's role is the man. Who was the proponent of stop and go determinism? That is the neo-determinism. The answer is Griep Taylor. So what is neo-determinism? So it is the combination of both possibilism and determinism. It is the middle position of possibilism and determinism. Man's role is like a traffic controller in a city. He can channelize the effects of environment in different ways. He can delay it and he can pass it whenever he wishes. Ultimately, environment becomes the main here. Next question. What is the main content of human geography? It finds the relationship between the way of life of people in different parts of the world and environment. Next question. When did the quantitative revolution take place? Between 1950 to 1960, in this period. Now, which branch of geography is related to sociology? The answer is human geography. Who is the father of population geography? Trivatta is the father of population geography. Who is the father of social geography? David Harvey is the father of social geography. Next question. From which scripture can one gain knowledge about the space and time? That is geography and history, both these subjects. So space, it says about the spatial scale, and time, it says about the temporal scale. So space, that is the location, different places. It is linked with mainly the geography. And time, that is the temporal scale. Whether it is the past, present or future, mainly the first. So time or temporal scale is mainly linked with history. So combinedly, it is the spatio-temporal analysis. Both geography and history are important here. The branch related to the relationship between natural environment and culture is called the cultural ecology. Next question. Zimmerman is associated with which disciplines? Resource geography or economic geography? Resource geography or economic geography is the answer. The economic geography, it is the geography about various economic activities, the production, consumption, exchange. These are the important matters here. And for the resource geography, the distribution of resource and utilization of resource management, resource depletion, these are important here. What is called the effect of environment on human life? It is called determinism. The application of mathematics and statistics in the discussion of geography is called quantitative revolution. This is called quantitative revolution. Patrick Gates associated with which geography? That is, the answer is population geography. Now come to the point of population geography. What is? It is the geographical analysis of all the characteristics of human population. A scholar associated with environmental determinism is Sample, very important name, is Sample, who initiated geocratic approach in geography, Ratzel. So what is geocratic approach? It is the approach which says the environment is the main in any activity or in man's life. Environment's impact is important. Next, theocratic view was introduced by Carl Ritter. So what is theocratic? Here God's function is, or God's role is the main. Now come to the point, the eucratic approach was introduced by Lucien Febvre. What is eucratic approach? Here man is active, or man's role is the main here. Okay. Now come to the point, extraction of mineral resource or the extraction of natural resources or the mining activities are called as the robber economy or robber industry. Why it is called such? As mineral resources are exhausted day by day due to the extraction, so it is called the robber economy. It is just, that's why it is called the robber. It is comparable to the robbery. Okay. The cultural diffusion. What is cultural diffusion? When the culture of a region, the cultural traits of a region spreads towards its surrounding areas and enriches another area, then it is called cultural diffusion. Then this phenomenon is called cultural diffusion. Which one is the largest tribe of Jharkhand and West Bengal? The answer is Santal tribe. Where do Gaddi tribes live? Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Next, what is the main task of developmental geography? The main task of developmental geography is the formulating plans to solve regional problems. What is neo-determinism? Man can delay controls of nature, but control of nature is finally established. It is also called stop and go determinism. It emphasizes the role of environment in guiding human actions. Human geography is a branch of which geography? That is the systematic geography. The author of the book Civilization and Climate is the Huntington. The book Explanation of Geography. Who is the author of this book? The answer is David Harvey. Next question. What is seasonal nomadism or transhumance? The natives of Jammu and Kashmir with herds of animals at the beginning of winter, they come downhill and in summer they go back to the mountain again. So this kind of seasonal movement from one season to another is called transhumance. What is mixed farming? It is a farming method where along with the production of agricultural crops, animals and birds are reared. Intensive subsistence agriculture is found in the monsoon climatic zones of Southeast Asia. Monsoon climatic zones of Southeast Asia, the famous for intensive subsistence agriculture. So, what is intensive subsistence agriculture? So, these are done mainly for livelihood or for living only. So, this is such a kind of agriculture. So these are the questions from the first part of this combined class. And this is the second part, the second class, the second chapter of Fundamentals of Human Geography, that is the classification of economic activities and primary activities. So now let's start the second one. What are the main economic activities of the rural people? The answer is primary activities: agriculture, animal husbandry, fishing, etc. So primary activities are the main here. Primary activities, these are the directly nature-based activities. So rural people are doing such kind of activities. As they are the close proximity to the nature, the fourth level of economic activity is known as neo-modern economic activities or quaternary activity. Next question. What is the name of quaternary workers? White collar workers. They are called white collar worker. Next question. Example of tertiary activities: trade, insurance, advertising, transportation. They are also called as service sector activities. So tertiary activity, these are the supporting activities. They support various another economic activity. That's why these are the supporting economic activities. What is called the secondary level workers? They are called the blue collar workers. Secondary activities, mainly the industrial activities. Here conversion of primary product are done in secondary activities. What is called the primary workers? They are called as the red collar workers. What is the amount of labor employed in agriculture worldwide? 49% of the total population, they are engaged in this sector. That is the primary sector, that is the agricultural sector. Next question. What is called the tertiary workers? They are called as the pink collar workers. Quaternary or fifth level economic activity or modernized activity. What are the activities? These are the policy making, counseling, decision making, planning, outsourcing, etc. Next question. What is called the workers of fifth level economic activity or quaternary activity? They are called golden collar workers. Next, which activity helps the primary and secondary activity, that is the third or tertiary activity? They help. So that's why called these are the helping activity. Which farming is linked with millet production? The answer is dry farming. These are performed in dry places having less than 50 centimeter annual rainfall. Millets, these are the jowar, bajra and ragi. The agriculture in which fruit, flowers, vegetables are grown for sale in the nearby cities, these are called the market gardening. Sometimes trucks are used to supply these to the nearby towns. The main function of gold collar workers, so main function of gold collar workers are the counseling. They are doing the counseling activity. What is called the fifth level workers or quinary workers? They are called the think tank. Why they are called so? They are the intelligent, they are very wise. That's why they are called the think tank. What is pomoculture? The cultivation of fruit is called pomoculture. Next question. What type of economic activity is tourism? Third level or tertiary activity? The gathering tribes in Tundra region are called the Eskimo. They are called Eskimo. Semang and Sakai tribes belong to Central Malaya. Samoyed tribes live in Siberian Tundra region. Cattle herding nomadic tribes of Central Asia are called Kyrgyz. They live in Turkestan, and another one is Mongols. Kyrgyz and Mongols. Where do Bedouins live? In the Arabian desert. They live in Arabian deserts. Another name of extensive agriculture, that is the commercial agriculture. Here huge production is done mainly for trading purpose. These are found in developed countries, the commercial agriculture. Next, another name of intensive agriculture, these are the subsistence agriculture. These are called the subsistence agriculture. They are performed mainly for livelihood or for living. Next question. Father of Indian Green Revolution, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. So what actually was the Green Revolution? So it was a revolution. Here a huge crop production was performed or was done due to the infrastructural development in agricultural sector. Here mainly wheat production was increased. It was performed in 1960s, especially concentrated in Punjab, Haryana, UP, etc., the northwestern states. So this economic event was called the Green Revolution. Next question. What is floriculture? It is the study of the growing and marketing of flowers and foliage plants. It is also called flower farming. What is Operation Flood? Milk and dairy production project in India. The father of Operation Flood or Milk Revolution or White Revolution, that is the Varghese Kurian. He is also called as the milkman of India, Varghese Kurian. Which crop is called white gold? Cotton. Cotton is called white gold. Next question. The first coffee cultivation in India was done. It was done in the Nilgiri mountain of South India. Next question. Long fiber cotton is produced in Egypt. It is famous in Egypt. What type of land is used in extensive farming? Larger holdings are used in extensive farming. Where is subsistence agriculture found? in Southeast Asian countries, subsistence agriculture is found. The rice is the main crop here. Brazil's main cash crop, that is the coffee. So that's why it is called the coffee bowl. Where do Kyrgyz live? In Central Asia. Where do pygmies live? In the forest of Congo River Basin. Largest ranch in Argentina is called Estancia. It is called Estancia. Shifting cultivation of Malaysia is called ladang. Next question. Shifting cultivation of India is called jhum or jhuming. So these are extensively found in the hilly lands of northeast India, especially among some tribes. So these are very old type of agricultural method. Viticulture. It is the commercial cultivation of grapes. Where does the Bantu live? In the Congo River Basin of Africa. They live in Congo River Basin. What is herbiculture? So it is the cultivation of herbal plants, especially the medicinal plants. What is the best coffee variety? Arabica coffee is the best coffee variety. What is interculture? Planting different crops in different rows on same piece of land is called interculture. Next question. Crop rotation. What is crop rotation? Instead of cultivating the same crop on the same land, alternative different crops are grown one after another in different times of the year. So this is called the crop rotation. Like first rice is produced, then pulse may be produced, and again rice or wheat may be introduced in the same field of land. That's why it preserves the fertility of the land. Which agriculture causes environmental pollution and degradation? The shifting cultivation causes maximum pollution mainly the air pollution, and degradation in case of land degradation, especially the soil erosion. Soil erosion is performed by or happened by this type of cultivation. What is the main crop of intensive agriculture? Paddy. Paddy is produced in case of maximum amount in this agricultural system. Which agriculture is called dual economy agriculture? The answer is mixed farming. Mixed farming is called the dual economy agriculture. Next question. Which agriculture has the highest crop productivity? Intensive agriculture has the highest crop productivity. Which country is called the sugar bag of the world? The answer is Cuba. Done. The last question. Which is the milk city of India? Anand. It is situated in Gujarat. Here Amul factory also situated. So that's all about our today's class, the combined class. I hope you have acquired many information regarding these two chapters, important chapters of human geography. So this is the important playlist, and you just follow the previous classes both in Bengali and English version for your examination point of view. Now please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get all notifications regarding the next classes. Please share the class link to your all WhatsApp and Facebook groups. Please tell about this channel to your friends. Please join our WhatsApp channel to get all class link and PDF. Please like, comment and share this channel more and more. Please stay behind us and keep supporting. If you have any problem to join this WhatsApp channel, then you may give me a video, you give the description box, you go to the description box and go to the WhatsApp and search it and join to the Geo Insight Mentor. And you may also join through the keyword scan, by scanning the keyword code. And these are the various links. So that's all about our class. Please comment for our today's class. If you have any problem, a doubt or question, please comment about it. Thank you for staying with us. We'll meet you soon in next class. Stay safe and healthy. Please do supporting. Thank you.